We have almost completed our website. Now it's time for this service section. Service section looks like this. And before we start making this, let me show you a resource for you. This Color Hunt website has a beautiful template, color template, and you can make a beautiful website using a single color template. And I am using this template to make this our website, and here I have used these two colors for this services section. So let's get started building this. Let me comment here service, and from here add a container class like this, and we have a row, and this row takes a column on large screen of 4 columns. Now let me give it a style and give it a color of background. Background color will be this. And inside this column, we have H2. This H2 says this web design, and we have some P element URL text. Now let me reload first. Here we go. Now on this row class, give it a text center. It will make the text to align center. Now copy this column, copy first column, and paste it like this. I change the background color for this to this, like this. Now reload. Here we go. And change the heading to this, like this. And now just reload it and add a padding. For this column, we are going to add some padding, px-5. It will add a padding to this column, and just add a p-5 class like this. It will add a padding from all sides like this. This color is looking something from this one. So let me choose it from here. The first color is completely different from what we have chosen here. Here we go. This color, and everything is now okay. Just add a padding top and bottom to this container. py-5. Now load. Here we go. Here is beautiful padding. Now what we want to do, just copy these two columns, this one and this one. Copy them and paste them multiple times. It will make total of 6 columns like this. But we have some more padding here. It is not just the 5. Again add a column, or we can add this row of adding py-5 like this again. It will again add some top and bottom padding. It will increase here this gap like this. Now we have completed this beautiful section also. That's it for this video.